Hi guys, good morning. So you are here at my new segment for this video. This is what we called.
X-Story.
Okay, so this morning, last night, I've posted such thing about my experience with my ex partner, na? And then the first question there is from my best friend, ni Joy Pinunya. She asked me there, nganong gi-give up man nimo to si V. By the way, V is, I will not mention the full name by the way. Si V is my long last and first ever BL in my life. And then BL means boy love. So he's my first, and then we live in together for 1 year and 6 months. So we've been dealing with situation nga kanang we have similarities, no? And then we live in the same roof in their house, and we visited our place, no? In my family's place and his father's place. And then, there's a lot of things that we shared together, especially friends, no? We have common friends because of our relationship. And then, we visited a lot of places. It's my first time to visit there, no? And then, it's too far, and it's my first time, yeah. There's a lot of first time that happened with him. And then, we stayed for a long time. There's a lot of trials, and then every night I keep on appreciating him, how I care and how I love him. Especially one thing I cannot forget is that every time I say I love you to him is it really it comes from my heart, and my tears can't stop falling because yeah. So for sure, or to make the story short, I just can't move on. Because nakita din yung mga video, wala ka move on. No, reading. Bitaw we end up our relationship because of the changes of my studies, no? Kay I've been busy doing my projects, or di ba when you are a third year student in college, there's a lot of possible things nga dagan kay changes, and then i-show na ko dili akong face or dabi ka bati agad na ikaw nga time, and then kuan kanang Bisaya ano ita. So yeah, I gave up because I know that he loves me and I loves him a lot, and especially our families, no, it's not easy to move on because of the family ties. So I decided to end up our relationship because it's not healthy anymore. Though we love each other, if you love that person, you have to let go, no? Kay it seems like I am too selfish if kung ako na lang always ang ma-follow, or siya na lang always ang ma-follow. So it's too selfish. So I allow him to go to another destination. That's why I decided to end up. And then yeah, it's easy for me to move on because of my friends also, for the Labs family. And then next question there is, sino ang sumuko from Dongho, or si Dongno from Bangantukan? So ako ang ako lang i-share ang kanang gamay nga story. So katong nga time is wala gyud mi nag-away, no? Wala mi nag-away or walay hatred or walay kanang panghitabo, no? It just happened nga kanang nag-arty lang ko, kay sometimes we need to gusto nga i-love or ilambing-lambing inana. Pero ato nga time gusto ko mapakuha sa boarding house, gusto ko man to silang balay, so gikapoy man ta kay naman mga role plays, mga dramas and reports during those times. And then I've requested him to visit in my place and get me there, but he didn't go kay busy pod siya. I understand, but katong time gusto lang jud ko magpalambing, so it just happened nga giblogan na siya tanga time, no? And then after days loko I'm wondering anong wala na yung mga chats, and then wala na yung chats na itabo, na text or na calls, and then muling to nga wala na gid noon. So wala na gid siya possible nga wala na yung relationship nga mahitabo. So akong some of my things kay napadid sila ha, and then yapon na pasako ka nana. So wala na, after atong time wala na yung closure inana. Pero we've been living for 1 year and 6 months, no? And then graduate na po siya sa akong mga pagkasadista nga pagka-partner. And then another question is that actually 7 na sila kabuok, pero mag-choose lang ko dani. Naka-move on na ba kaniya from Rica Porras? Kaya I know Rica Porras is one of my best best friends, no? She knows some, no? Naka-move on na ba kaniya? So, actually, the main reason why I'm still single for almost 8 years to go, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23. Oh, lagi, almost 7 years. I'm single for almost 7 years because of him, no? I just can't imagine myself having someone like him, no? I've been comparing those, pero there's a lot of people try their best to get me, and then to pursue me, but suddenly, dili yun ako ma-appreciate na. Because I have to compare first. Yeah, it's wrong, but it's also good, no? And then, mo to ang akong ma-share this first segment. First video of this segment. Bye, hope you are feeling better to have a good memories with your ex. Just end up with a smile. Yeah. Bitaw, here's a tip. Do not hate someone that do not hate your ex, no? Do not hate your ex. Value him or value her because that someone helps you baya, no? That someone helps you to build up yourself during when you are together. So you don't have to hate, no? Hatred is not good, no? So that's why I don't hate my ex, no? If you are watching this, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm what I am right now because of you. Thank you.